Belly fat is a common problem many people face. There are usually many things that need to be improved in order to lose belly fat. But for now, focus on changing or improving just one thing. After achieving the first goal, you can move on to the next step. Let's discuss effective and natural ways to reduce belly fat. It's all about proper nutrition and other knowledge. 1. Eat less refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates are low in nutritional value but high in calories. These carbohydrates are found in white bread, refined grains, and sweet foods and drinks. Studies have also linked refined carbohydrates to the development of belly fat. Try replacing refined carbs with complex carbs. They are found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 2. Don't sit too much. Studies have shown that people who sit for 8 to 9 hours a day have similar exercise benefits to those who are physically active throughout the day, even if they do the recommended 150 minutes of exercise per week. If your job requires you to sit most of the day, find ways to exercise. Take short breaks throughout the day and walk around. Use your lunch break to take a longer walk. If possible, use the stairs instead of the elevator. Try to move your body as much as possible. 3. Avoid sweet foods. Studies have found a link between eating lots of sugar and having a higher percentage of belly fat. Added sugar is a big contributor to excess calories. If you don't replace it with other sources of calories, it can lead to a healthy calorie deficit, which in turn leads to weight loss. Too much sugar can cause your blood sugar to spike and your blood sugar to plummet. And when you have such an accident, you will feel tired and hungry, increasing the risk of overeating. I have to give you bad news, but there is no quick fix for belly fat. However, there are some things you can do to help this process. Your best bet is to make careful lifestyle changes and change your eating and exercise habits over time. With a little patience and perseverance, you are well on your way to a healthier body.